Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro. First, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. But before adjusting it manually, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, let's open up the display, and make sure that adaptive brightness is turned off. As you guys can see now, it is turned on, but you can just disable it, click on brightness level, and swipe with your finger to adjust it. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Play Store, click search, and search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now, we're not going to download any sponsored apps. We need to download the screen dimmer OLED Saver made by Ruhex, and here we're going to click on install. It's less than 1.5 megabytes. So now it is installed. We're going to click open, and we need to give it permissions. The first one, so that it can easily change the brightness. The second one, to keep the same brightness whenever we rotate our screen or enable an overlay such as keyboards and etc. So we go to downloaded apps, screen dimmer, and click use screen dimmer. Click on allow, and now we can leave. We're going to grant the permission so that it can display the brightness bar in the notification area. We're going to enable it, and let me quickly change it. Now, when we scroll down here, we have it as a silent notification, so we do not see it in our status bar. As you guys can see, this is just how it works. And what are we going to do now? Is we can go to brightness settings. We can change the external to brighter or dimmer. We can also change the brightness, change delay, change duration, and physical brightness. So how many percentage of it will be controlled by the app and how many will be controlled by the system itself. So I would recommend putting it at 100. Do not change it. And of course, we can just reset those settings. And now we can leave. And if we don't want it, we can just turn it off. But remember to change your brightness afterwards, because it kind of boosts our brightness up. That's why we want to change it manually after disabling it. And as a last resort, if none of that helped, we need to check for software updates in the settings so that we make sure we're on the latest version and there's no old glitches on our device. So scroll down, not too much, go to system updates, tap on check for updates, and it is initializing everything now. Soon it should search for the latest version. And for me, everything looks good. I'm on the latest version of the software. But if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so that you have the newest version and you do not have any glitches, as I've mentioned earlier. So now that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.